This is a foot crossing between Beeston and Attenborough station. For some reason this meridian on its way to London has got a red at the station. Why, I don't know. Two 002. Still got a red, which usually means crossing gates aren't dropped. Nottingham Matlock service just left Beeston station and slow in for Attenborough. Class 170 turbo stars on a Cardiff to Nottingham service. This service lost 3 minutes between East Midlands Parkway and Trent Junction. This is crawling behind two lots of EMR units that have gone north, that have both stopped at Beeston station. Hopefully he gets, it's red, but hopefully he gets an amber or double and he opens up. This is a Matlock to Nottingham service. Got one more stop as it pulls away from Attenborough at Beeston station as it reaches Notts after that. This is meridian heading south, about 20 seconds from Attenborough station. About to cross with the EMR unit. This is a second stopper at Attenborough in 5 minutes heading towards Notts. So one of them must have been late. He's not in no rush to get to Beeston because the other one's probably just pulled out at station. Turbo Star, class 170 on a Nottingham to Cardiff service, having just pulled away from Beeston. Crossing with the EMR unit on a Matlock to Nottingham service, stopped at Attenborough. That's the view north towards Beeston and Notts, and that's the view south, see Attenborough station, beyond that Trent Junction.